Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see one previous problem from JNTH, which is 2 marks question. Implement the function f equal to ab plus a bar b bar using 2:1 multiplexer. So here, in order to solve this, we need to know the 2:1 multiplexer function and the output expression of it. So let us consider 2:1 multiplexer, which will be having one output, let us say Z, and one selection line S and two input lines, 0 line and 1 line. Let us say this input as I0 and second one is I1. So now what is the expression of Z? So Z is equal to I0 if S is 0. To represent that, you need to write S bar I0 plus, when this S equal to 1, the output is I1. So S I1. So that is what? S equal to 0, Z you will be getting I0. S equal to 1, the Z equal to I1. So based on this S value, you are selecting any one of the input, and this expression is the output of this corresponding 2:1 multiplexer. Now you need to map this particular Z expression, you need to compare or you need to map this Z expression with the given expression, so that you can choose this I0 value, I1 value and S value such that you are generating this given expression with the help of this 2:1 multiplexer. So let us consider Z is equal to S bar I0 plus S I1. Now let us consider F. Now I will take this term as first term, a bar b bar plus ab. Now if I compare these two, or if I map these two, S can be chosen as A and I0 can be chosen as b bar. So that means you need to connect b bar to I0 and I1 is equal to b. So if you choose or if you select the connections like this to this circuit, you can generate this function. So that is what implementation of this function using 2:1 multiplexer. So let me draw that. This is 2:1 multiplexer, which is having one output. Now that is F. 2:1, 0 line, 1 line, 0 input line, 1 input line. So this is I0 is connected to b bar and I1 is connected to b, and selection line is chosen as A. Then you will be getting this function, that is what, whenever A is 0, that means A bar, the output is connected to B bar. Whenever this A is 1, that is A, the output is connected to this line, that is B. So this is the expression we got with the help of this kind of connection, and this is nothing but this expression is nothing but your A XNOR B. A XNOR B. So that means whatever your XNOR gate, this is XNOR gate. If I give A B here, you will be getting AB plus A bar B bar. This is same as your 2:1 multiplexer with selection line as A. This 0 line and this is 1 line, this is B bar and this is B. Then you will be getting same expression, F is equal to AB plus A bar B bar. The same thing you can do for the normal XOR gate, A bar B plus AB bar. The same thing you can do with this 2:1 multiplexer. Before that, let me write down the again function of 2:1 multiplexer, that is S bar I0. Whenever you select S is equal to 1, I1 will be selected. Now you need to compare this with this expression. So A bar B, A B bar. So then the connections would be S equal to, you need to select A, and I0 equal to B, and I1 is equal to B bar. If you choose these kind of connections, you can generate same logic with the help of 2:1 mux. So this is F, and again here S is A, but this time for 0th line you need to connect B, for line 1 input to I1 you need to connect B bar, so that you will be generating, let us say, whenever input is 0, I mean selection line is 0, the output is B. Whenever selection line is 1, that is A, the output is this line number 1, that is B bar. So this is your XNOR, and this is your XOR realization using 2:1 mux. But here you can make a note that you need one more gate, that is NOT gate, right? In order to generate this B bar, you need a NOT gate. But if question is like this, implement XOR or XNOR, anything, using only 2:1 multiplexers. So that means you need to implement these two functions with the help of only 2:1 multiplexers. So that means you can use n number of 2:1 multiplexers as per your requirement, but you should not use any other logic gate. So in that case, let us consider our previous example, XNOR AB plus A bar B bar. The expression, the diagram is like this, the connections are like this. You generated Z, AB, A bar, B bar, and here you connected A, and line number 1 we have connected B, and for line number 0 we have connected B bar. Now the question is, here generally to get B bar we can use this NOT gate, but as per the question, even this NOT gate has to be realized, has to be implemented with the help of same 2:1 multiplexer. So let us see how. So what is the NOT gate function? If you give B, because we need to generate B bar, I am considering B. If you give B, you need to generate B bar. So now let us consider F is equal to B bar. Now I am comparing with Z, that is S bar and I naught S I1. You need to map these two. So in order to map these two, let me write like this: B bar dot 1, obviously it will give B bar only, plus B dot 0, because if I am choosing S, if I want to choose S equal to B, the S bar can be mapped to this B bar, and there must be a plus term. So but here there is no plus term, so that means here there must be a 0, and here you have S, that is the reason I have considered B, and to make this term as 0 I use dot 0, right. Let me write again clearly: F is equal to in fact B bar, Z is equal to S bar I naught and S I1. Why I am choosing this? This is the expression of output of the 2:1 multiplexer. We need to generate this B bar with the help of this 2:1 multiplexer. So that means this must be mapped with this particular expression. For that reason I am making like this: B0. Obviously it is B bar only, but when you map like this, when you write like this, you can choose S is equal to B and I naught is equal to 1 and I1 is equal to 0. So in this case you can generate a NOT operation. So S is B, 2:1 mux is there, 0 line is there, first line is there. For 0 line what should be the value? 1, and this is 0. To represent this one, logic one, you can represent like this: power supply VCC, and to represent 0, logic 0, you can use this ground connection, and this output is nothing but your B bar, right. Very simple. Whenever B is 0, that means whenever B is 0 means B bar, the input must be 1, right. whenever b is 1, the output must be 0. So whenever b is 1, the output must be 0. So in this way also you can remember, right? So now you need to replace the previous NOT gate, this particular NOT gate, with the just now I shown with the circuit of NOT gate with 2:1 mux. So let me complete that. Final expression, final circuit. This is 2:1 mux. This is what actually f is equal to AB plus A bar B bar. I am implementing XNOR, and the selection line is A, and this is line number 1. Here you can connect B, but for line number 0 we require B bar, and that B bar can be implemented like this. Again we are using 2:1 mux. Whenever B is 0, the output should be 1. So that means you should connect 1 here. Whenever B is 1, the output should be 0. So that means you need to connect 0 here. Right. So this is implementation of XNOR gate with the help of only 2:1 multiplexers. So how many 2:1 multiplexers are required here? 2:1 mux multiplexers are required for XNOR and similarly for XOR also, or otherwise 1 2:1 mux and 1 inverter, or I can say 1 NOT gate is enough to implement this XNOR and XOR. And for long answer questions, that means for 10 marks or 5 marks, you will be having different Boolean expressions in terms of 3 variable or 4 variable, and you need to implement that Boolean expression with the help of 4:1 multiplexer or 8:1 multiplexers. So there you require some implementation table. With the help of that implementation table, you can find out these kind of connections. What should be the selection line and what should be the input values. So that we will be seeing in the coming videos. But meanwhile, if you find any difficulty in solving previous year questions from JN to H, you can mention those questions in the comment section so that I can make a video on them. Thank you so much.